Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, here we go.
9 are you clear, touch and go.
Yes, touch and go. 84, yeah.
Look left.
Miles to the east, request.
Set.
One.
Go. Up top. Look up. Close this out. All right.
That's approved. Make it only 1/6 to hold short.
Lot G, squeeze and breathe. Ready? Squeeze and breathe. Go. Squeeze and breathe. Squeeze and breathe. Set. Vertical. Going. Go, baby, go. Negative G. Rolling. All right. Long pull. Squeeze and breathe. Squeeze and breathe. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Little float.
We're 24966 here, Roger.
Hesitate. Roll. Set. Go. Here comes the loop. Okay, long pull. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, great.
Squeeze.
Squeeze and breathe. Squeeze and breathe.
Request a straight out.
Little float. Lot of pull. Squeeze and breathe. Here it comes. Squeeze and breathe. There's 4. Set. How you feeling?
Awesome, bud.
Excellent. Here we go again. Squeeze and breathe.
Roger, hold short.
Look left. Look left. Look left. Watch that horizon. Look left. Look left. Rumble kick. Forward stick.
Warrior 8119 Hotel down.
Opposite rudder. Yeah. Good stop. All right. Lot of pull. Squeeze and breathe. Set. 45 up. Look left. Set. Look forward.
Hold short of
Rolling.
1/6.
Ready for some push.
Yep.
Push, push, push. Pulling towards the earth. Here we go.
62
Boom.
left at Echo to the
Good set. A lot of speed. A lot of G. Set. Roll. Right rudder.
Whoa!
Left rudder. Don't accelerate. Top set. Going pulling.
Now 2,000 feet inbound with Oscar.
Entry speed was 150 on that.
496 X-ray.
Set. Right rudder. Left rudder. Back pressure. Hold her up. Hold her up. Hold her up. Good girl. Good rumble.
2 X-ray.
Power set. Full accelerating. 2-point roll. How you feeling? Awesome. Okay. Looking for 90, 95, 100. Set. Roll. Right rudder. Push, baby. Go. Pause. Go. Top rudder. Back pressure. Set. And a 270 going left. Set. Pull. Lot of G. Lot of time. Squeeze the legs. Squeeze the abs. Breathe. Keep breathing. Stay awake, SD. Doing great. Almost done. Set. Roll. All done. Wagging out to the judges. See you, judges.
Report midfield left down.
We're going home.
Midfield left down.
One last maneuver, okay?
All right.
Go, baby, go.
Hey, Beverly Tower.
Clear touch
Boom.
and go. Winds 140.
See ya.
Okay, clear touch and go. Actually,
Yeah, baby.
8119 Hotel.
What I'm talking about.
19 hotel.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right.
Nice job.
Awesome, bud. That was awesome.